Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best toolkit. Here are the top 3 toolkits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. CRAFTSMAN Home Toolkit. It is a comprehensive kit for all your home repair needs. It has over 40 tools and accessories. You'll be able to tackle any job around the house with ease. Its tools include screwdrivers, pliers, wire cutters, hammers, saws, knives, and more. It's perfect for homeowners who are looking to do some DIY projects or just need some basic tools in their home. It also comes with a carrying case to keep all your tools together and organized. At number 2. CARTMAN Orange 39-piece Tool Set. It is a complete set of tools for various repairs and projects. This tool set includes screwdrivers, pliers, sockets, wrenches, hex key sets, metric and SAE, nut drivers, spanners, metric and imperial, hex keys, hexagonal. This tool set contains everything you need to get the job done right the first time. It also has a variety of sockets that are perfect for automotive work. Its durable case keeps your tools organized and safe when not in use. At number 1. Amazon Basics 65-piece Home Basic Repair Toolkit Set with Bag. This toolkit set is a great way to have all of the tools you need in one handy place. This kit includes wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and other essential tools for home repairs. It also comes with a durable bag that makes it easy to transport your tools around the house. There are also a number of specialty tools that can be helpful in repairing things such as bikes or appliances. The set comes with a carrying bag for easy transport. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.